Hey, what about the Looney Tune jacket? See that little...
There you go. It's 3 times figures and stuff in there.
This is too cool to pass up, man. How you doing?
The rest of it's on its way, bud.
Is it?
Yeah, this ain't all of it.
Yeah.
All the Harley and NASCAR and the rest of the Looney Tunes shit is on its way, man.
What is everything in separate pricing or?
Yeah, kind of like, so we got a couple of cheap bins and stuff. The stuff that's on the racks kind of individually priced.
Gotcha. Okay.
Just if you find something, I can give you a price on it.
Hey, what about the Looney Tune jacket?
I'd like to get 30 on that.
30. Jean jacket. Alright. Disney 2000.
What's on the shirt?
You would have to.
Oh.
Depends on what it is. Scorpions.
Got a bunch of bikes, Harley bikes.
Brooks.
Gators.
Toby Keith.
That's the
Take 15 if you want.
No, pass. Thank you though. This is cool. These the pieces are actually.
It's actually metal.
Oh, they're metal.
Yeah.
Huh. What do you guys have on that?
I think it was $5.
$5?
This is
Oh, it's a tic-tac-toe.
tic-tac-toe board, yes. Yeah.
It's glass? Huh.
And there's the
Oh yeah, they're
like
metal.
aluminum.
Oh yeah, they're aluminum. Put them on the... That's actually really kind of cool.
Just kind of unwrapped it there. And
Oh yeah. Check this out. Hershey Kisses.
Oh, cool.
I looked at those earlier, I almost bought them. Checkers and tic-tac-toe.
You can see the pieces?
Yeah, they're actually Hershey's.
That's pretty cool. Those are hugs.
Yeah, look, they're actually aluminum.
Yeah, go for it. Hey, you said 5 or 10?
Yeah, $5.
Yeah, 5 I'd do, not 10.
The boss says buy it.
You can spend 5 here, Rod.
That's a cool conversation piece.
yep, there you go.
Push of $3 each, huh? Ooh.
Oh, the monkey out of Aladdin.
Yeah. Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Huh?
Can I come over here and look in that bin?
Sure. Yeah, we didn't have room to come out there.
Okay. What's the price of the ones in the bags?
$3.
$3 each. That's a good. It's in all the McDonald's ones. Beanie Boopers.
They're beanie boppers.
Boppers.
They're $3 each, but
Okay. This piggy.
that was a line of the Thai beanies,
Yeah.
the boppers. He did work at one time.
Okay. You don't know if it works though?
Oh, he works. I haven't replaced the batteries. They're looking right at me.
Yeah.
They're standing right in front of me.
What are these from?
Those are from Dr. or what is it? Dick Tracy.
Oh yeah.
I can't remember who that's Dick Tracy, but I can't remember who the other guy is. There's too many to remember.
Yeah. Were these a pair?
No, they're $3 each.
Oh, $3 each.
Or if you can have them both for $5.
Do all these for 10?
Sure.
All right.
Here's the bag anyway.
Oh no, I'll take the bag.
You want a bigger bag than this?
Nah, I think I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any more Disney stuff?
The only thing is that plate. This Disney plate. I don't have a lot of Disney.
Oh, that's
Did
cool.
you look in this tote?
A little bit. What do you have some of the Disney plate?
5.
5. For $3? Hmm.
There's that guy.
$3. Oh, a Christmas Story. All right, I'll give you $3 for the plate.
Take the $3 for the plate.
How much is this?
15.
15.
I mean, I get it, because I don't think you would have wanted to be here yesterday.
I didn't even want to be at home yesterday.
Yeah. I sat in the house, and then even my always busy man.
You have tablets, you have games, you have stuff to color on, draw on.
How much are the toys? 5?
$5 each or 2 for 8.
All right, so I lost everybody. I lost my dad. I lost Dave. I lost Dave's dad.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
How are you?
Good.
Hi.
Oh, just bags?
Just, yeah,
I
just stuffing.
thought you had some cool Disney stuff in there.
No.
You and your trickeries.
I'll do.
For what?
Same thing. Everything.
Are we looking at what?
$5 a piece. Unless, like I said, if you buy a bunch of it,
So the price on there isn't what it is. I'm sorry. We'll do like half that for that. Those toys there.
Did that come out?
Yeah, we just pushed them
Oh,
in.
okay. How much you ask for that?
The bigger pin here, Dave,
I'll do 5 on that
5.
one.
I was right.
Do you have any more Disney pins like this?
Oh, they're all in here. I got Mickey Mouse here. So Mickey.
What would you do for both pins?
Let's see, 5 and 2. How about 8?
8. Do you have the backs for these?
I do. They need to find the Tommy Hilfiger bag. They're in there. And oh, here it is. I need to give you $2.
That's correct. All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
I think it's just a keychain, and then the booklet that's in there. It's got some significance, I guess, but
80 death. How much are your figures?
figures are going pretty much for like that one's 20, but the rest of them are about $5 a piece.
Yeah,
But most of them are $5.
it's a cool piece.
That's a great.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
I do
Oh,
not.
yeah.
Would you do 15 on them? You have 20?
I have a Harley vest.
I'll do 20. I gotta stick at
Is it 20?
That thing's
Okay.
worth at least 3 times that.
The leather.
No, they're going for about 35 to 40, so
Yeah. I gotta
Yeah.
stick at 20. That thing's.
I understand. That's cool. What do you have in this one?
I'll be quiet.
Probably do. Yeah, $20 on that.
20 that one?
I don't know how you come out like that.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. They didn't look like brass from here.
I thought they were They're cast iron.
Yeah.
They might be cast iron.
Yeah, okay, yeah, cast iron.
Right here,
Yep.
$5,000.
For 20, I'd buy them probably.
Yeah. There's a stand right here though. You'll like this guy. Here we go. He busts out this whole thing of figures. This wasn't here before, but he was charging 20 bucks. Depends what it was. These right here, Dave. But this one's only going. There's a bunch of this is known stone. That's 90 days. He wants 20 a piece for these. This one sells for like 40. But is that a lighter? Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's cool. What is that? Let me see that little. No. Yeah.
Computer or...
Oh, there we go. You need this.
That's a. It's no. It's. Do you know what it is? It's not what you
horror?
think. No. It's these shadow bandits. They're.
I thought it was horror. I thought it was for your horror collection.
So.
Those two, I'll do...
I tried
These are all terrible. These are terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not terrible, but they're not worth selling. Unless you get it for like $2 a piece.
Yeah. No, he's not. Those.
That Invicta watch?
No, it's just case.
I bet the Kate out $25.
Oh, here we go.
There you go. Tales from the Crypt.
Alright, let's see what he wants with
That's
these.
your jam for your own collection, honestly.
I've actually sold these in the past, so it depends what it has. I met the Crypt Keeper, and I got one signed by the Crypt Keeper.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he's a. Dude, I gotta take you. We were the
We were talking about that.
Yeah, it's in October's a good time to go.
Ew.
How much is the Tales from the Crypt ones? These ones? They're in the bin down below here.
I'll do $2 a piece on them.
I'll take those.
There you go.
You love the horror, any more horror?
And then the figures in this bin. How much are these ones?
I'll be with you.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh,
Wow, Rod, you're a jerk.
here's Star Trek guy.
Ah, those are so bad.
You wanted to know how much these are?
Yeah, the ones in the bin here. I wasn't sure they're all separate different prices or.
Ashtray, $20.
You got ones back there.
Actually, I do 10 on it. Which ones do you like?
I didn't go through them yet, so I was just seeing if. Cause I know the ones down there were you said were $2.
$2, yeah. Let's do. You want them all?
Nah, I don't think I'll take them all. But
All right.
what do you? He might buy them all.
How much are these?
I'll do. I don't know, $6
For the set?
for the two. Yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna buy them all, or not?
I'll buy them all. You can take the bin and everything. Save me some room.
How much for that?
Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So figure
It's actually 20.
20.
$6 for that stuff.
So let's do $50. And you get the bin.
That's you, man. I know you like those.
You can do it.
I don't know. It has
It's
Xena.
not far off. I was
I know.
thinking 40, so he's pretty close to what I was gonna say.
This is actually perfect for your
It's
whatnot.
like, yeah, or dipped it or something like that. $5
I mean,
a
they're
piece.
12 bucks, 15 bucks.
Are you not wanting them? You're pretty torn on it.
Yeah, I don't know, man. McFarlane. I mean, it's $50 is not bad. It's a good
No.
deal. I just know if I have room.
I just got in trouble for swooping in on your deals.
No,
before.
no.
I don't swoop in on your deals.
Go ahead. I'll give it to you. You know you want it.
I'll take it if you don't,
Yeah,
but I
he'll
want
take
to
it.
give you
No.
a hearty chance to do it.
This guy alone is awesome.
Yeah, no,
there's quite a few
we're
cool
buying him. He's buying it.
All right.
You got more figures you're gonna pull out?
I do.
$50, man. Here you
I'll
go.
keep going. Thank you.
Yeah. What are these?
Yeah, you get a free Santa Claus Pez.
There you go. Give
Dave,
the stuff away.
Dave, these are Lord of the Ring,
Yes,
right?
please take them.
What?
Take it.
That's Lord of the Ring, right?
Yeah, that's Lord of the Rings. See there? See the hairy feet?
Yeah.
In there.
These decent?
Hey, don't bring up the hairy feet here.
You triggered him. Way to go. Now we're not gonna get any good deals.
I don't like hairy feet. No.
You had to bring that up.
He's gonna walk around his house all day long,
All
just
self-conscious.
shorts and
about it.
just
Yeah.
wears shoes now the rest of the day. Way to go, buddy.
They called me a hobbit in high school, so I'm with you.
If you were, I'd shave them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Keep
it.
coming back.
Man, I'm
trying.
hanging in here, man. It smells pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's like brand new.
Holy mackerel. Do you have anything smaller by any chance?
The humidor.
That's
Yeah.
it, huh? Hang on, let me see. Babe, you got
His
any
wife was
change?
saying that he likes to smoke
Hold on one
some
moment.
kind
Hold
of
on.
special cigars.
Oh yeah, I bet you. Special cigars.
Special cigars. Special cigars.
What do you have in the humidor?
I'll do, and you can't get me lower on that, 20 bucks.
20 bucks?
Yeah. 20 bucks, worth it all day long. I have the new box here somewhere.
Holy moly.
It's there, so.
I have sold humidors in the past for hundreds of dollars. This one, unfortunately, was only going for like 40 to 50 bucks. So I decided to pass.
There's the whole entire,
Is this? Did they put a sticker on this, or is this not? This is just a Winnebago.
Indian. Winnebago Indian, yeah?
But it's, there's a $6 million man sticker. I think the someone just put the sticker on the side. It's not from $6 million man, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea. Yeah, it actually could be from the 70s, I'm sure.
Yeah.
We've moved
What
into
do,
the booth.
what do you have on the Winnebago?
I'll do 20 on that.
Do 20 on that?
Yep.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I think I might take it for 20. I don't know how I can.
Ship it?
It's gonna be a pain in the butt to ship, but
Might be worth
Simple, put it in the box.
yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
I'll give you 20 for it.
20 bucks it is.
Steal video.
Oh, we got the big bills.
Yeah. I just printed it this morning, so I think it's finally dry. Dave, I don't think we should just move. We should just stay here.
I know, I'm done. I'm not moving anymore.
Just keep going. 'Cause I still got more stuff in there.
I know, that's why
I've been saying
I don't want to walk
for 2
away.
hours.
I was like, I don't want to walk away.
There's all kinds of figures and stuff in there. I didn't wanna look.
This is too cool to pass up, man. All right, now I gotta look at this other one here. Who's this one?
Oh yeah, that's the vintage one.
What do you have on this guy?
Same thing.
Same thing?
It's even got the antenna on it.
I love vintage items like this. Unfortunately, this was only going for like 30 to 40 bucks, so I decided to pass on it. This is cool. No, he doesn't.
He loves them.
Yeah. So Girl Scout stuff.
So did you tell you we have like 35 of those signs?
No.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Cool. How about $5?
$5?
At least I can fill the
I
whole
don't even know
wagon.
Oh,
what's in there. I didn't get to look.
The Girl Scout stuff, I think.
Oh, boy.
Okay. I'll give you $5 for it.
Okay, cool. Yes.
$5.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pick this up, Dave. 1963.
Oh, nice.
$5.
Should we try to walk and come back?
I don't know. I'm getting FOMO.
I know, that's the issue.
Dude, every time you walk away, he brings me out more stuff.
I'm so tempted at that.
I know. That's why I don't want to leave.
We're like, I haven't seen that really.
No shipping.
Yeah.
Blade.
There you go.
I've had a whole bunch of these. The graphics in these are so bad. Like
They're bad, but they're nostalgic.
No, they're bad. But the box are so awesome on these ones.
Blade.
Yeah,
cool.
and I love the KB toys.
Warhammer with the dice.
I had a great time picking with Papa Punchin, ADH Dave and his dad. We were at the Junk in the Trunk flea market. It was the first time we were ever there. We found a lot of cool vintage items, a lot of fun. Wednesday the 24th, make sure you guys check out our whatnot. Me and Mrs. Punchin are doing an all free show. We're giving back to you guys. Everything is free. All you have to do is show up. The link is in the description down below. Sign up and come hang out with us. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.